Okay, I have an empty tube, and I have a balloon, as well as 2 screwdrivers. Alright? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the balloon into, you can see that it goes right through. I'm going to insert it into there. Let's see if I can blow it up. Oh, I'm dizzy. Huh. Alright. Okay. Now the balloon is inside the tube, and you can clearly see that on both angles. Now the crazy part is, watch this. I'm going to take one of these screwdrivers. This is actually really sharp. I'm going to take it and insert it right through the balloon. Okay? I'll take the other one and insert it right through that side of the balloon. Now, this is pretty crazy. You're probably thinking, well, why the hell isn't it popping? It's magic. Alright? Now, it could be magic. This could be magic. Or our eyes could just be fooling us. It's up to you to decide.